So this is the card that I made today. I think it's called an exploding pop-up card, and you can almost see why. Just watch my video and I will be showing you how to make this one. So today my plan is to do I think the card is called exploding pop-up card. So the paper that I will be using is just a normal cardstock that is 8 1/8 inches, and I'm going to score this. So let's just start with that, and I'm gonna score this 3 times. So I'm gonna score it at 4 inches, turn it around and score it at 4 inches, and then I'm gonna score this diagonally from the corner to the next corner. Pretty easy. And here you can see how this line helps a lot that I have here. Makes it so much easier to score it straight. See, I have a line here. So there we go. Now I'm gonna just fold this. Make sure that the edges are sharp. So now I'm going to take this and I'm gonna fold this outside. And this one becomes a valley. I'm gonna try to pop that and pop that. So I got one nice square. You see? So this one is mountain, valley, valley, valley. Right? And now the card is done, and now we just have to decorate it. Super easy, huh? And you can do this as much bigger. This one is 8 times 8, which makes this one 4 inches 4. And if you want to do this a bit bigger, you just do 10 times 10 and you get this one as a 5, and so on and so on. So now I want to decorate the outside, and I want to put something here and maybe something here. You can also decorate these sides, but I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do that on this card. At first I'm going to use these two, and these two are just a bit smaller. This blue one is 3.5 by 3.5, and yeah, this one is a bit bigger. And this blue one is a bit smaller. So I'm just gonna glue that up on here. You could suit the edges, but I'm not going to do that. And I want to put this one up on here on the front side, and I want to use like a ribbon to just, you see, like it's opening all the time. I want to put a ribbon in here, and I think this one will go pretty well. So, oops. So I'm just gonna make this a bit longer than I need. Make sure that I'm gonna be able to tie this. Gonna fix that later. That will be good, I think. And now I'm just gonna glue this upon here. Simple, right? So, like this. I'll put this one on the inside first. Now I'm gonna put the white paper on later, because I want to stamp this, and I don't want to do like I usually do, stamp when it's on the card. So I'm gonna save this for later. So now I'm going to put paper in here. So far pretty good, right? Now we got ourselves this one, and I want to do something more on the front. So I cut out this one. I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna hide this one a bit. Maybe I need a black, yeah. So I'm gonna put this like this. So I'm gonna hide the ribbon end there, something like that. And don't worry about this one sticking out, because when I fold it up, it's just gonna lie flat on the back side. So don't worry about that. So now for the decorations. So first, let's do the first things first. I'm gonna stamp this. I'm gonna emboss it with gold. I think that will go great with this one. So let's use this dragonfly. Fix this. Pour the embossing powder on it, pretty much. Whoopsie daisy. Like this. Like that. There we go. Now I'm going to emboss this one. You can really see how the magic just happens when the embossing fan is melting the embossing powder. And this is the result. Real pretty. So now I'm gonna take this die, put it on, cut it out, and put it on my card. So this is the result. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So, and as I always do, I forget to do some stamping. So I'm gonna try to put some stamping on here, and I want this one embossed in gold also, since the dragonfly turned out so super great. I'm going to do like this and measure upon like that. That will be good, won't it? So like this. So this would look nicely, doesn't it? Happy birthday, it says. I'm gonna glue this upon here, and then the front is almost done. And on this one, I'll think that I'll be using these foamy thingies, so I get a bit the 3D effect. So something like this. So let's do something for the inside, and for this one I actually remembered not to put this on, and I wanna have happy birthday, and I wanna use the same happy birthday that I had on the front. But this time I won't be using the embossing. Just gonna put this up on the top, not quite in the middle, just in the corner maybe, like that. Yeah. And now I want to use the dragonfly that I had before, and I just want it a bit like, not all of it, just like that. Yeah, that thing was good. So now I'm just gonna put this on the inside of the card, and I want it like this. So some glue. And then we want some bling, except for the embossed text and the embossed dragonfly. I want a bit more bling. Yeah. So I think I'll be doing some goldy ones. So, on the front here, maybe just a few. Like this, and something for the inside. So, this is the card. Just gonna fold this in the middle and cut it. Oops. So if you fold it like a mountain and cut it downwards, you get this nice. So this is the card that I made today. I think it is called an exploding pop-up card, or yeah, you can call it whatever you want. It's a very fun fold. It's so easy to do, and I really hope you like this one. Let's open it and see how it looks inside. Just pull out the ribbon, and happy birthday on the inside also. Super easy, super fun. Comment if you have any ideas of what you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you haven't, please subscribe, then you won't miss out on my next video. Yeah, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in one of my next videos. Have a great summer and take care. Bye.